Today I am with Lars Kushner of Kushner Legal. Lars has built his entire career around one mission, making sure the people you love are protected when you're no longer here to protect them yourself. He's a Beverly Hills and Palm Springs based estate planning attorney who works with everyone from young couples just starting out to high net worth families with complex situations. Lars, welcome. How are you today?
I'm doing great today, Dominic. Thanks so much for having me.
Oh, you're welcome. You're welcome. Lars, first question, could you just tell us a little bit of background about yourself and your firm?
Yes, of course, Dominic. So I founded this practice here in Beverly Hills in 2020 after practicing law in Canada for 10 years, commencing in 2010. Originally, my practice was solely based in litigation, and I was in court 1 to 2 times a week, either defending or prosecuting actions against wills. Here in California, I focus solely on the planning side, using my courtroom experience to help me better understand how estates can get challenged and how to best ensure that people's wishes are protected.
Okay, that's good to know. And you could have gone into any area of law, but what drew you specifically to estate planning?
What I enjoy most about estate planning is the opportunity to build lifelong partnerships and relationships with my clients. I can see them through many different stages of life, including marriage, the birth of their children, divorces, and even unfortunately when there's a death in the family. It's important for me to be a resource for my clients for the duration of their life.
What type of clients do you typically work with today?
So Dominic, my client base really includes anyone who needs to plan for the future or is concerned about incapacity planning, from young couples to married couples to single individuals who maybe only have a chosen family that's important to them and may be estranged from their own biological family. I try and serve all members of our community.
Okay, and if there's one thing that most people fundamentally get wrong about estate planning before they walk into your office, what is that?
The most fundamental mistake people make, Dominic, is putting it off. People often think there's always tomorrow, and the reality is that's not a guarantee. You can only make an estate plan when you have capacity, and if you become incapacitated, you miss that opportunity, and the consequences can be devastating.
Yeah, absolutely. That's very apparent. Now, this is also inherently emotional work. You're dealing with people's mortality, their families, their legacies. What keeps you personally energized by it?
I really enjoy seeing the satisfaction and the relief that people feel when they come and execute a plan or update an old plan. You can see it in their faces when they leave the office and they have their documents signed and they know everything is in place, that this burden has been lifted off of them and they really feel secure in the plan that they've got delivered.
Yes, I can imagine it's gratifying.
Absolutely, Dominic. It's one of the most gratifying aspects of my practice.
Yeah, great to know. So Lars, great to meet you. We're looking forward to diving deeper into estate planning with you in future videos. If watching this video raised questions for you, Lars's contact details are scrolling away at the bottom of the screen. Lars, thanks again, and I look forward to seeing you soon in another video.
Thanks so much for having me, Dominic.
Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.